That's your hydraulics, your spindle. Now I'm going to start the oscillation of the table. Right here, I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to reset it. When that resets, you're going to hit start. Your green light comes on. It's going to go to a total depth of 200 thousandths up here. To do it again, you hit start again.